Hi everyone, and today I'm going to be trialling the new Flash Powermop Power Deep Clean. So this is what you get in the box. You get the Powermop, you get 5 absorbing pads, fresh scented solution and 2 batteries. On the back shows you exactly how to use it and what to do. Gentle on laminate, finished wood and stone floors, tough on dirt and grime, no more scrubbing on your hands and knees, and you can get extra pads and solution. So it says connect, insert batteries, attach, load, spray and clean, remove pad when dirty. So let's open this up then. Let's take off, you can see that, take off this blue tape. That's that little liquid. Take off a bit of cardboard that's in there. So what we do, connect. So connect the handle. Insert the batteries. Where are the batteries? That would help, wouldn't it? The batteries are in the little bag. Instructions as well. Good. Right, simple enough. Welcome. Flash knows that clean is just a part of our life, but we work hard to make it a little bit easier. Our goal is to design simple, ingenious tools that are not only effective but easy to use. At times they're even fun, but that's our little secret. Ready, set, mop. Right. Slide the battery compartment out of the mop and insert non-rechargeable batteries. There's a lot of stuff happening here. Right. And that's what you get right there. Pretty standard. So we've got 4 batteries. So the batteries go down the side of this thing, making sure you put the negative and positive the right way to the little arrows. Now, where does this go? Ah, right. That's fairly easy enough, just down there. Slide. 2 clicks. then your liquid, you just pop at the back. So it says first of all we have to put pad on the bottom. We'll do a weird pad. We'll just like stick it on. Is that what I do? Let's go back to my little trusty hand here. Attach the palm with printed side facing the mop head. So them sides, we've got like slight Velcro on this to it. Let's stick it, and then bring it over a little bit. So then we have to take off top of the bottle. Okay. Insert. Do I just put it in like that and push? Is that what I do? Set the bottle, line up the arrows to that side, bottom of the pole. Oh well, the picture has it with the top on. So put that bit towards the pole. So you do this, so it goes like that. Push the pole into the bottle into the mob until it clicks in place. Do not remove or puncture the cap of solution. Lining up the arrows. Like that. Then you press that button if you want to. So there we go, that's it all set up, didn't take long. Well, it's going. Got a bit of a flood over there. Well, it's nice and smooth to use. With my floor shiny, I don't need to pick up some bits of paint off my floor. Directing it's a bit harder. I've got a big bump somewhere. Oh well. Saw that with the dirt going on. Still quite heavy going. Quite like it. head into it. Easy to angle it around, which is good. I could imagine these Powermop. Doesn't seem it's not as simple. Nice, give it a few minutes just to dry it. So as you can see, it's really shiny. A few minutes later, and it has all dried up. Really quick drying. There's still some of the bits missed, just because it's first time. The floor's pretty clean, really. It's quite nice. There's some bits of it, but as I say, it was just my first time using it, so probably as I use it more and more, it will I'll get better using it. So this is, so if I show you. That is the muck I got off just doing the one floor. I'm going to put this room back together again, finish any little edgy bits that I've missed, and then move on to my other floors and see how they go. Bye! So this is this floor, and we're going to do some cleaning. So I've just mopped it. It's nice and shiny, and it's looking good. Pleased with that. And this is the toilet floor. Okay. Let's do a bit of cleaning. Then we can do it after. Easy to read. Just putting it on one hand, then that's it. Just pushing a bit of hair around. I think this floor off as good as you can show the main bit. Quite nice. Yeah, I quite like this one. I think I'll continue using it to the trial. So that is the Flash Powermop. It's available in all stores at the moment. I got it on a trial from the company, and I think it's really cool. Well worth it. So have a look for it in shops and let us know down below what you thought of it if you've already bought it. And yeah, I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.